Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Wi-Fi extender for basically free. All we're going to need for this project is some pop, an X-Acto knife, and some tape. Let's get started. So what we're going to want to do is grab 2 cans of pop. Of course you're going to want to take out the pop that's inside of it. Alright, so now I got my 2 empty pop cans and I'm going to show you guys how to cut the cans if your router does not have an antenna. So if you're without an antenna, you're going to go ahead and cut all the way around the bottom and all the way around the top. I'll go ahead and do that and I'll show you when it's finished. Alright, so we cut our 2 pop cans open. Once you're done, they should look like this. Just a flat piece of aluminum. So we're going to need 2 of these if your router does not have an antenna. So what we're going to do here, try and fold them back a little bit just so they don't curl up as much. So if this is loud. Do for both. It makes the job easier to tape. So what our goal here is to make like a solid sheet of metal. We're going to tape this together and we're going to put it underneath the router so it reflects off of the bottom and it can reach further distances. Alright you guys, we got this taped together. It is not the prettiest thing, that is for sure, but I can guarantee you that it works. So what you want to do, just like this, you'll have it sitting underneath the router and that'll amplify the signal. So now let's get on to the part with the antenna. Alright guys, so for the one with the antenna, we're going to cut it a little bit differently. Almost the exact same. So you're going to need your X-Acto knife again. This time we're going to be cutting, line it up with a hole here. And we're going to be cutting straight down to the bottom. And then across 1 inch or 2 on both sides of that cut. So I'll go ahead and do that and show you guys what it looks like. Alright you guys, so I cut the can. And once you unfold it, it should look something like this. As you can see. So for an example, let's just say this is the antenna. You put the antenna of the router in the hole like this and stand on there. And this would amplify the signal directionally wherever you want it. And you can open these up further too, obviously. So this one here, you would want to use if you want your, say you have a tall house, you want your signal to be like higher up in the house. And this one would be like if you have a really large like open floor house and you wanted it to reach to a room, let's say that was just had really bad signal. So both these options do work. I actually use this one myself. It's underneath my router. And hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully the tip helped you out. If you have any suggestions at all for stuff I should make, if you have any questions, please leave them down below and I'll get back to you. Thank you guys very much for watching.